again, we let it rain. Please don't start us up. Got that black and white, that yin and yang. Mr. Officer, please don't search us, we don't got a thing. Tell her park it up, then that ass be poking out them jeans. Up and sparking up, like the fireworks, I keep the flame. Heard you barking up, this the wrong tree, I got the strings. Charging up, they can't keep up, got them looking drained. Now they walking up, trying to put the face to the name. I pull up and I and I'm swerving. If a nigga try to holler, she gon' curve him. We came from under rugs like a Persian. We been staying in our lane, ain't no merging. Wrap a nigga like a motherfucking turban. Yeah, these niggas all square like Irvin. Yeah, we grew up in the hood, no Suburbans. If I say I need my money, then it's urgent. Yeah, they want me to quit. Yeah, they want me to shift. But as long as I'm alive, we gon' keep on making hits.
Subscribe.
What's up, guys? Pjtruckin. Dude, you guys already know we're at Redneck Yacht Club, dude. It's 2023. It's a November one. It's supposed to be cold, but it's actually super hot. Dude, behind me, I got the first vehicle of today's video. Bro, it's a D40 van with a wooden flatbed. Bro, we're gonna see how this unit operates. Dude, so you built this thing or what?
No, I just cut the roof off.
You just cut the roof off? Bro, what? What happened?
Something wrong with it.
Something wrong with it?
It don't want to start.
Bro, we've been out here for 2 minutes. Oh my God, dude, what even is that? Yeah. Well, we made it a total of 2 minutes out here, and we're broken down. Everybody okay?
Yeah, we're okay.
Nice and easy. Alright, man, now we're getting into cricket crab. Dude, my boy's got king cold.
Bro, that's the cricket cab. Yo, come on, ride.
What's up, BJ?
We ballin', yeah, they done bitch that dick, now she keep calling.
What color can you get to?
Oh, wow. I can go yellow. I
think you can go purple.
Why not green?
It's a nice job.
Alright, man, you guys have seen the buggy on the channel before, so we brought the bunny out. We were rocking it yesterday, dude. It was ripping, and then he broke a motor mount. So we got JP Mobile welding that rig. What are you doing, my guy?
Overly charging people to weld.
Yo, that's too funny, bro.
RYC rates $3.75 an hour, and I don't give a fuck.
So what do you think? He's just stack another weld on it, or no?
Double it up.
Like make it wider?
I wouldn't even just like that.
You do this side?
Too much shade, you know?
Oh.
There we go.
I was trying to be like Big Chief.
Alright, man, what happened?
Alright. Bad carb. Broken engine mount. And a lot of alcohol resulted in a great. Can't polish that one out, so.
Alright, man, we're about to go on a little ride, get some wakeboarding action back in there. Alright, man, last time you guys saw us do this on the bodyboard, we got all around the time. Alright, so now basically we're going to have Jacob Parks, the world's craziest driver, in the X3, and he's gonna pull Alec on the wakeboard. I think the ending of this is gonna end with a fractured leg, bro. And we got the Redneck Yacht Club, bro, big side by side guy, bro. Big side by side.
It almost got stolen on Thursday night.
No.
Bro, I caught.
New York City, hooked up with Pete, did it, been a flow, paying 50 green light, yellow light.
Get out, bro, behind me. Bro, you guys love Eric, bro? Dude, we got Eric back at RYC, where he originated, man. And he's in a fully built 6'4" now. Bro, let's see. He already broke the drive shaft, so we're gonna get some two-wheel drive content. Eric, bro. Out of control. Too much torque, too much torque. So Eric's got the 6'4" with the smokestacks. Bro, this thing's supposed to be fully built, so we're about to find out. Oh! Yo, that thing rips! Off-road fab.
Oh, alright. Well, we got a 22 off-road bike.
U22 off-road fab. Are you?
I'm the owner.
Yes. Oh! Alright, like I said, the IC Empire boys made it out. I got Chris Falcon. Dude, he actually builds trucks in his backyard as well. And he's already got the mic. We got a mic. Alright, now we gotta get the IC Empire president. Alright, right here, we got the IC Empire president. He's throwing a bonfire tonight. Bro. I know. It's super controversial. It's all love. It's all love. No burnouts or fun. Only music.
Touchdown Wall 2023.
Bro, you guys might remember him from the last videos, bro. On again. Check out Club 2023. Bro, I don't know. I don't usually do these cameos, like story shout-outs for IC Empire, but it is what it is. Yep. And IC Empire is here. See, we got the IC Empire president behind the camera. Just asked me if I'm security. Yo, I just found this on the ground. Yo, are we gonna have enough space? Are we gonna have enough space for trucking? Bro. No! Yo, we're not gonna have enough. Dude, kind of fire, bro. Should we put IC Empire? My God, what are you doing?
Bro, drum pack.
Drum pack. They solo.
'Pjtruckin at Redneck Yacht Club. He's gonna show some movies. Let's get a good look. We got. I tried. Subscribe. Off-road fab.
thought you were supposed to stay on the bike.
Bro, we're gonna get redemption right now.
I don't know
Milwaukee battery, bro. By Milwaukee, all right?
That's a life hack. Right there, a life hack.
We got 2 bars left.
Oh no! Bro, we're gonna have to charge that in the garage, bro. Bro, it's my favorite razor on the internet, bro.
Buggy wash. Redneck Yacht Club.
Noah,
2023.
Noah runs a squad game down in Broward County. And back in Broward County, earlier you guys saw this tire pop. Bro, they popped it with the winch. Bro, let's actually give this winch a rating. I'm gonna show you how to get the ladies. I'll show you how to get it with the winch. I'll show you how this works. It's very simple. Hey, what's up? What's up?
Oh my god, you put it around me.
Getting the ladies with
Oh my god.
It's that easy. This is how you get the mud crickets in the side by side. Wait, turn it. Oh. Hey, it's that easy. They come right to you. She turned it off. All right, we got a titty lane crisis.
Association, association. Now you look at deputy mad in my brown.
Put my problems paper, dial up the deputy mad at my brown problems in the paper. Put my problems paper, dial up the deputy mad at my brown problems in the paper. Put my problems paper, dial up the deputy mad at my brown.
Yo, Chris, put me down.
Nah, man, I think you're gonna stay up there tonight.
Bro, put me down. Seriously.
Nah, dude, you haven't been pushing the merch enough.
Bro, alright. Bro, you guys don't know, Pjtruckin finally has merch. All you have to do is click the link in the description, pjtruckin.com, and get yourself some merch.
Alright.
Put me down, please.
Nah, you're gonna stay up there tonight, man. You're staying up there tonight, man. I'll see you later.
Hey, gang, Mr. Officer. and I'm swerving.